Hi everyone, nice to meet you for the second time. I'm Elodie Paquette from Z'Ailes D'Aigle Création. What is that? Um, First of all, I want to share with you some event in my business right now, but I just remember you what is my company. I'm the owner of Z'Ailes D'Aigle Création. I'm an intuitive artist and guide, and my mission is to help people to reconnect with their inner intuition, inner self, inner love, inner what is there for you, and to express it by the art, by my recycled art. I do like Canva and jewelry with lithotherapy, with precious stones, and many of things. By the way, if you want to know more about what I'm doing, you can go all of my links I will put in on the comments, and you will be able to see everything about my website, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. I'm everywhere, for real. So, the events about my business. First of all, I have an event tomorrow for French people. So if you don't understand French, stay with me because I have other things for you. But for tomorrow, it's in French only, November 19 at 7 p.m. East. It's $20 plus tax, and it's an intuitive creation workshop. So what is that? And do I need to create like some art, some whatever? No, you don't need to create something artistic. You can create something to express what it's there for you right now. So it's really to help you to reconnect with your emotion, your feelings, your vibration, your what is there for you. And I guide you with some tools, with some exercise during the workshop to just express it. So you can express by drawing, painting, dance, photography, or whatever, or you can create like your vision board, because we are soon at the end of the year, so you can create in advance your vision board or whatever what you need to create to just reconnect with your creating part, because the life, it's a beautiful creation. So if you want to know more, just to see in the comments the event of of this the Facebook event. Yes, the Facebook event. I will post it on the comments too. The second part that I want to share with you. Oh, by the way, for English people, if you don't understand French, that's okay. I understand. You can write me, you can text me, and maybe you can create a little group with your family, friends, employee. It's a really, really big gift, beautiful gift for your employee, to create like your own workshop privately. So I can do it in private. Oh, by the way, it's in a virtual. It's a virtual. It's on Zoom, so you don't need to be there with me in person. No, it's a virtual workshop, so you can do it everywhere that you are, actually. So the second event. It's starting November 24, and it's to help you to find your special, original, and unique Christmas gift. So every Wednesday, starting November 24, till December 22. December 22. 18, 20, I'm not sure, but all of the details will be on the event too. So just go to see that. So this event, it's just to invite you in my personal artist studio, and you can see, you can touch, you can you can talk with me, you can ask about everything that you want to ask to me. We can just talk together, drink coffee or whatever, and you can really meet all of my universe and find your special Christmas gift. So maybe it's jewels like that, just amazing like that, or like that, or whatever. Maybe you want to buy a really special canva like that. Whatever that you want. And maybe you have an idea, but you cannot really able to make it. I can do it for you. So if you have a special idea for the person who you love, I am the girl to help you to deliver the best gift for this person. So it was this two event that I have. And remember, if you have any question, if you have any comments, if you have any suggestion, like, oh, maybe I want canva with a purple color, can you do it? Yes, I can. So we can meet together, we can talk together, and I will be able to find your best idea, your best what you need for real. So it will be my pleasure to meet you for the second time for some people and the first time for other people. So remember, comments, text me, and go to see all of what I'm doing on my social media. So goodbye, everybody.